Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set camera on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, introducing the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G equipped with a versatile array of camera features tailored to enhance every photographic experience. So, let's get started. Okay, the Pro mode empowers users with manual control over settings, allowing for precise adjustment to capture the perfect shoot. So, we have Pro Video mode to extend this control to video recording, enabling users to fine-tune settings for professional quality videos. Next, capturing stunning photos in low-light conditions with the night mode, ensuring clarity and details even in dimly lit environments. Okay, so the food mode optimizes settings for food photography, accentuating colors and textures to make every dish look irresistible. Okay, so expand your perspective with the panorama mode, seamlessly stitching together multiple images to create breathtaking wide-angle views. Okay, so dive into the world of close-up photography with the macro mode, revealing intricate details with stunning clarity. So, experience the magic of slow-motion videos with super slow-mo and slow-motion modes, capturing every moment with cinematic flair. And create captivating time-lapse videos with hyperlapse mode, condensing long periods into mesmerizing short clips. And effortlessly capture both the moment and your reaction with dual rake and single take modes, ensuring you never miss a memorable shoot. Okay, so with its ultra-wide-angle lens boasting a remarkable 0.5 aperture, the Galaxy A55 5G offers expansive views with exceptional clarity. Okay, next, elevate your photography with a high-resolution sensor, delivering crisp image up to 50 megapixels. And explore a range of creative possibilities with a variety of filters and effects, adding a unique touch to your photos. So, stay steady on the move with Super Steady On, minimizing motion blur for smooth and stable footage, even in dynamic environments. Okay, so the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G redefines smartphone photography, empowering users to unleash their creativity and capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and versatility. Okay, that's what I can explain to you all. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.